We've got an important announcement for you. In our efforts to build a bigger channel and have more opportunity for you to view it and for people to view it in general, we're going to experiment a little with the day we post. So instead of posting every Sunday morning, we're going to start posting every Wednesday morning, and we're going to see how that works, and we'll compare it to the Sunday posting, and we'll see which is better. Mark your calendars, hit the subscribe button and the bell so you don't miss it. We'd like to get your feedback. What puzzles you? What would you like to solve? And let us know if there's any particular subjects you'd like us to cover. We want to tailor this to your needs, so let us know what interests you for future videos. If you're in the mood for even more gardening knowledge, an important one, you can get right in that corner by clicking on our video about fall and winter soil preparation. That'll put you in perfect condition for spring. We did a fun video, interesting video that I really enjoyed about thanking you for accomplishing 10,000 subscribers, which has been a goal of ours for some time. And it's such a neat video that if you look at the views, it's misleading because I think about half of them are mine. I just keep watching it over and over. It's really a fun video to watch. Check it out. We're changing our plant game. That's your opportunity to win free products. And that change will be explained in our next video on Wednesday. So tune in to get the specifics regarding our new game and to win free John and Bob's products. We'll see you on Wednesday for our new video.